Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable the auto updates in Windows 10. It's not straightforward like it was in the previous versions of Windows. For that you have to go to the services and disable it manually. And to do that we have to go to search and type services. Yeah. And then Windows update, Windows update, double click, and in the manual on the setup type just click the disable, apply, OK, and that's it. Now your automatic updates of Windows 10 is disabled and the Windows will not be able to update itself automatically. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.